The little boy is traveling in a boat and he expects something in the sea. He and the others are overjoyed when they suddenly see a huge whale emerging from the sea. The beauty of the soaring whale raising the sea waves. Let's see what the surrounding people have done as a solution to stealing this person's parcels. The trick is to hide a device that makes a loud noise inside the parcel to scare the thieves away. According to the topography of the Earth, this is a very beautiful place. Who wouldn't want to spend their vacation in a place like this? Like a divine world. Elephants in the wild can be seen being harmed by humans due to their presence in the cultivated areas of humans. Here, a group of volunteers is nursing the injured elephant with water and medicine, and the baby elephant is staying with its own kind. He looks sad. These men remove the rear wheels of a car and replace them with two small cart wheels. For what? For fun and experience. After that, they leave the car on the road and prepare to travel. The car turns in a circle while the other person laughs happily with the driver, which makes us laugh too. Look at the beauty when this special ferrofluid is applied to this magnetized screw. Although this liquid is liquid under normal conditions, it behaves like this near a magnet. Here is a video prepared by NASA. As the years go by, it seems that the amount of ice sheets in the Arctic region is decreasing rapidly. They say this is due to global warming. Can you imagine what will happen after many more years? Isn't this diver making a beautiful presentation in the bottomless ocean? It looks like falling down like in the outside world. He is a very talented person.